What's up guys, Chris Villain here at Hot Topic HQ. I just did this radical 80s look inspired by Ready Player One using the Artemis Game Over eyeshadow palette. Stick around to see how it goes. Alright you guys, so first we're going to start with our face washed and eyes primed. Very important. Alright, so the first color we're going to use is Joystick. We're going to put this on the inside corner of our eye. Alright you guys, once that's done, we're going to go back in with New Wave and do the center of the eyelid and just below the eye as well. Alright you guys, after that's done, we're going to go in with some Synergy just outside of New Wave with the same step. Alright you guys, next step we're going to go in with some High Fidelity. We're going to take the shimmery yellow and do it just outside of where the green was and drag it all the way up into our hairline. Alright you guys, once that is done, we're going to do all of the same steps on the other eye. So we're going to take some of the three-dimensional and put it on our cheekbones and follow the yellow up into our hairline. We're also going to add some above the yellow, following into the hairline as well. Cool, and then do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so after this, go in with your favorite liquid eyeliner and touch your waterline above your eyelids and add some details on the side. Alright you guys, for the last step, we're going to take some heavy metal and rub it on the inside corner of our eyes. And to get rid of your gamer scent, use the Ready Player One fragrance and you're good to go. I like the little keychains on this guy. Oh my gosh, it says Gunter Life on it. I'm screaming. Cool, so from here you can personalize the look by adding your favorite lip color, mascara, whatever you guys want, but that's pretty much it. The Artemis Game Over Eyeshadow Palette and Ready Player One fragrance are available now. See ya!